Enabling or disabling the auto hotspot connection on your Samsung Galaxy S24 provides control over your device's connectivity and battery usage, allowing automatic hotspot connections when needed and conserving battery by disconnecting when not in use. This is how you do it. Firstly, press the home button to return to your home screen. Once you're on the home screen, swipe down from the top and select the settings icon. Then, scroll down and select Connections. From there, choose Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the More button at the top of your screen. From the pop-up menu that appears, select Intelligent Wi-Fi. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Auto Hotspot Connection. In the next screen, when you select Always, you'll have the option to enable or disable the Disconnect when not in use feature. Enabling this feature will help conserve your battery life by allowing your phone to disconnect from the auto hotspot when your phone's screen is turned off and no data is being transferred. Finally, press the home button to return to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this one. Stay connected.